Why did I decide to do sex therapy? I ran a men's clinic called the Blue Clinic. Kuyo yonke le minyaka ngirana the Blue Clinic, I realized from ama-patient ami the gap, the need yokuconnecta the medical side nayinkinga amadoda abhekene nazo. Running a men's clinic, that's when you realize that, that's when you realize ukuthi inkinga ingakanani ekhona. Because when I opened the men's clinic, I thought amadoda wanama inkinga is with the erections. I thought amadoda neyinkinga zokuthi awanayo ilukuluku locanselanele. I thought amadoda nenkinga ukuthi ayashesha ukuchitha. I thought I knew the medical side of inkinga zamadoda, but running the Blue Clinic gave me an opportunity to, I call myself the doctor who stayed, because I stay. If patients, they know with a consultation, I stay. If there's a need, we stay for a long time. So allowing myself to stay and listen to meals, I realized the gap ekhona. Sometimes, yes, the erection might not be there, but we're not attending to the other issues ekhona. Men are broken. Akekho umuntu oyinikeza isikhathi to teach them about their sexuality, and sometimes they don't even understand ukuthi kuba indoda kuchaza ukuthini. The society inento ebabekeleyo ukuthi samadoda kufanele kwenzekeleni, samadoda kufanele kwenzeleni, while in reality people are still struggling with themselves. Kunama expectation amaningi, kunezinto eziningi emsindo ophuma ngaphandle or create ama expectations amaningi for amadoda. So going through the journey of listening to each and every patient by Kuluma, I realized that we are getting Romanian, I start your medical treatment, you feel better, you go. But the gap, ngiyahamba with a good erection, but you're still broken. We are humble with a good erection, but lo muntu owakudelela washo lento ayisho, or your insecurity, or iveza kubantu ayihambile. So I decided, why don't we tap into the side yokuthi deal with people's insecurities? Why don't we empower amadoda sexually, not just by giving them harder erections, by giving them the confidence behind them, the hard erection? Why don't we empower them? Because it's if we empower men, you actually empower the whole family, the community. Why don't we empower them in that sense? Equip sexually so that they can be better lovers, they can deliver better even sexually, because it's not about getting a hard enough erection, it's about knowing how to handle your partner, it's about knowing how to communicate sexually. Then I decided maybe let's tap into the other side. It has been a game changer, more especially with practice yami ngale ndlela ukuthi when you pick abantu ukuthi le ungenile and you see ukuthi the problem ngathi khona okunye okuningi okungale isidingo ukukhuluma ngakho, and you tap into it, ninika that opportunity of having lawo conversation, you realize ukuthi you heal beyond isifo. I've had patients saying singakaqali medication nananye wathi you've given me the conversation kade ngingazi ukuthi ngiyayidinga, but ngokushiya la eromini namhlanje in the consulting room, thank you for kunginika the conversation that my dad or whoever kwakufanele ukuthi sibe nayo conversation wangi-empowerisha ngaleyo ndlela. So for me, ulona going through this sexual journey, the emotional sexual journey with patients, it's actually bigger than giving someone who's feeling an erection, erection, because I feel like I give you the confidence to face the world. Life is tough, but we have to be tougher, which is because we English. And when males have been empowered in that sense sexually, it's a total game changer. And when men sebe matured in that sense sexually, move on the part about it's not about chasing numbers when it comes to sexuality, but it's about investing on quality wherever they are. So yeah, that's the main reason I actually moved into tap into the other side. But I must say it has actually made dealing with my patients easier, and I find discussing uncomfortable topics much easier. I find it used to take me a very long time ukuthi ngenze umuntu ebe comfortable to a certain level. Kodwa manje I find it very easy to just sebenza kancane sikhuluma into ezimbalwa and sithole sesine place where it's comfortable for all of us to discuss sexual issues. I'll keep on discussing izinto ezimbalwa about about kwenza ilana sex therapy. So lokhu sibona ukuthi yini esingakhuluma nayo, but I'm very excited, and I'm excited ukuthi at last sikwazi ukudiscuss ama-topic akwazi uku-include abantu besifazane, because I've been getting a lot of questions from women about izinto zasekamereni, but I felt like it's not my space, mina I'm doing my own lana. But manje with sex therapy we can discuss sexuality across abantu besilisa nabantu besifazane, kodwa nginifisela quality sexual experience nonke, ngathi ngaba nenkonzo ejabulisayo that is meaningful. Asifuni kaningi, asifuni okude, asifuni, but one meaningful connection sexually.